Hello guys, this is Ayushi Saharan and I am a student of BBA second year. So I am shooting out this video in order to let you all know about a session that I have attended on 16th of March about digital marketing. So the session was delivered by a digital marketer itself. His name is Mr. Vaibhav Srivastava. Guys, all I have came to know is an overview about digital marketing as well as how the things work in the digital world. I also have came across with such terms like CTC, CTR, that is click-through rate, SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. I also learned about affiliate marketing, reference marketing as well as blogging. So guys, at last I would say that the session was very effective in terms of learning, and I would like to thank IAMR group of institutions for giving me this opportunity to learn such things which I was not aware about. So thank you all.